Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys is there an easy way of making a quick buck in the stock market. Now what are those ways in which you can make quick profits out of the stock market? Well, there are certain ways in which you can make quick profit out of the stock market. To understand to know these ways or to find these ways, you shall have a profound knowledge about the candlestick psychology. You shall have a better strategy to use, and the most important is that you shall be instead of a long term investing, you shall trade short term, because in short term trading that is more possible. That happens more in short term trading because you are making a quick buck out of the stock market. Then that is for short term traders, not for long term. Long term are those that wait for the stock to grow, that wait for the stock to give them results positively, and wait for the stock for a great entry point, wait for a great entry point for the stock to drop in prices, and then invest in it, and further on wait for the prices to go beyond their limits or take profits. Now making a quick buck does not require that much hard work. It only requires you to do some technical analysis, buy the stock at a lower price and sell the stock as it gives you small amounts of profits. So today we'll be discussing this discussing this in this video. So let's get started with the video. Now I've pulled up some charts right here. now the now you should understand that how should you make a quick buck. Now if you want to make quick profits out of the stock market, let's say you invest in this part and then sell as it gives you profit in this candlestick. Now this is called a quick profits. Now you can see that you've made a quick profit, and you can see that how easily you have made it. What you can also take a look from this from these two candlesticks right here, these three. You invest at this part, wait for it, and then sell it. Now you can see that this is short term trading and not long term. Long term is that in which you invest here and wait for it up till here. So this is your much profits, more profits than that one. Now let's see how much profit you have made out of this one. 0.74, 0.74. What is this? Let me move it a bit. 16.97% profit you've made out of this one single move. So this is the profit that you made out of this single move right here, and this is known as a quick profit. So inst what are the drawbacks of this is that you invest in this part, you pay the fee, and then sell it, and then again pay the brokerage commission or the brokerage fee. So you've paid it double in this case, and with little profits. With little profits you've paid double, and it's like wearing out your money away. So if you've made $100, you've paid $20 in commission once, and then $20 again, and then you are left with $60. So it's like this. So do not invest in this manner. Always invest for long term. Invest in this part, sell at this part, or invest in this part or this part and sell when you see that now it's going to change its direction. When you see that the trend is now going to change its current situation and now will change into a downtrend, so that's when sell your stock. Other thing is invest in this part or this part and sell at this point, wait for the stock to grow and then sell the stock again right here. Because if you wait, now the purpose of this waiting here is that you've invested in this part and sell at these areas. What it usually means is that you wait for this much long and you sell the stock for a better profits. Now for a better profits, you made huge profits out of by only waiting for this much time. What is it? 25th of March, and what date is it? 3rd of September. So you waited for this much long for the stock to grow, and it gave you this much profit. So this is the better method of waiting for the stock to grow, and instead of making a quick buck or short term investing, always opt for long term investing, long term trading, and long term investing. That will profit from this. You will make your fortune, and you will make a ton of profit out of it. Now for there is another method for short term trading, is that day trading. Day trading is also accounts for short term trading. No, day trading is not short term, it is another type of trading. Well, you buy the stock at the day's low and sell the stock at the day's high. This usually happens in the same on the same day, but different time period. Maybe you sell the stock after a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, or maybe 4 hour, or maybe before the closing of the stock market. Now, this type of trading happens usually in those times. It does not require that much high skill, or only requires your mindset of how well you understand the psychology of the candlesticks. Now, in this case, as I've told you, the short-term trading, you better use different tools, indicators, and all of that stuff to better understand, to get a clear position of where the market is heading. Now, this is a support level, and you bought at this point. Sell the stock at this point as it gives you profit, because of the fear of it might change its trend and you might lose your the profit that you've made earlier. So this is the fear that you'll take, that stock trading is all about taking risk taking. And if you don't take risk, then you do not go into the stock market, do not invest in the stock market, because stock market is all about taking risk. Just enjoy the journey. It is enjoying the journey. Looking through it, you can see that it's enjoying the, oh, the stock is dropping in prices, then again it went up. So this is all about this is a journey, and just enjoy it. How well it goes in this, how well it goes. So always enjoy the stocks that you're going to buy. Now I'm going to save this chart, because I know I'll be later uh, investing it. You can see now this is dropping in value, so I'm going to keep an eye on it and then invest for a greater entry point. So you can see that for a day trading, you must have a profound knowledge about the candlesticks, how the candlesticks value. In this case, you will also have to wait for a better price to go. Usually day trading is somewhat profitable in one way, that you don't have to pay a double-sided commission. Check your brokerage commission structure of how they charge for day trading, short-term trading, and long-term. Also for 1 year, 2 year, and 3 year, check your brokerage firm brokerage commission fee for that, for those type of tradings. Now in day trading, in my brokerage firm, it is charged only one side for day trading. For short term, double sided, and for long term, it is also double sided. So that is the case. Now let's take this stock reached to this point, you bought at this point, and then it went back up. Sell at this point. So this much profit you have made out of the stock market, out of this stock, only by trading this on a single day. So that is also accounts for short term, for quick profits. And well, quick profits does not last long. You will get there, but it will take time. Always, what I would suggest is that you make quick profits, but in type of pullbacks or corrections. That is the one way that's the way I would suggest you guys to make profits out of the stock market. Now in this method, selling, buying at it lowest and selling as it the stock rises. So I do not consider that much, because that is a type of a headache and you'll have to deal with it. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.